Hi there folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another unboxing for you. Now the last unboxing I did, I noticed the video ran a little bit too long, so we'll try and get into this and get the unboxing done today. I'm not going to go through any specs or anything like that. It's literally going to be a unboxing and first impressions. As you can see, we have the famous Seiko box, generic. While I'm getting this out of here, I just want to say this is me getting this particular piece is down to a friend of mine who I met on Instagram called the Inked Watchman 700. He's got me into this particular piece, which is a Seiko Baby Monster. It is the SRP481-K1. Let's see what we got in the box. He is also he's starting a YouTube channel next year, and it's going to be called The Watch Corner, so keep an eye out for that, and I would appreciate it if you would head over, give him a follow on Instagram, and get ready for his YouTube channel. So that instruction book, we know all about those in multiple languages, and we have a warranty card here, which is stamped from Watch Nation, and then we get to the box. As you can see, we're getting a bit festive here. Yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. Right, here we go. As I said, SRP 481K1. This is known as the Baby Ice Monster. So we get it out of the box, and we have the usual cushion. We'll move the box out of the way, and then we'll pop this off of the cushion, put the cushion back in there, and we have a tag. Where are we? There we go. Focus, focus, focus. And I've got it upside down. That's your tag there. So we'll get that off. Now I'm hoping that it doesn't get caught up, because I obviously, as you can tell, didn't bring a knife with me. Here we go, that's off and back in the box, and your Seiko 5 Sports tag, which we obviously don't need. So here we go, let's have a look at the watch. We have full stainless steel, Seiko 5 is applied. Let's get in a bit closer on that and have a look, shall we? And the Sports in red, automatic, 24 joules, 100 meters. Really like that blue around the chapter ring and around the indices, and the blue second hand. Quite a nice sunburst silver dial, hence the term Ice Monster, because of the silver. It looks like we have polished case sides, brushed around the edge of the bezel with a polished ridge, which is quite nice. Unsigned crown, nice crown protectors, nicely knurled. Now, as this is a Seiko 5 Sports, it's not a screw down crown, so we can wind that up. We have a 4R36 movement, which has got your day date. Your day date is framed with, I would assume, stainless steel or silver plastic or something like that. The bracelet is solid links, standard monster really. Looks just like the monsters that they're doing in the Prospects line. Pressed clasp, usual thing. We do not have any diver's extension, but we do have 4 levels of micro adjust. And as you can see, we have an exhibition case back, and by default, because of the way this bracelet is done, it looks like we have solid end links because of the way that they fit in there. It's yeah, a nice hefty piece actually, got a good weight to it. We'll try the bezel. Yep, Seiko bezel, a little bit spongy. You can hear that click, but that click is quite nice. It's nice and easy to do. We'll go around again because I've missed the 12 o'clock position, and it looks like it lines up, but it also looks like the chapter ring is slightly out of alignment, which is fine because at least I know it's a Seiko. So yeah, this is actually really rather nice. Got my thumbprints all over it now. Yeah, quite like this. I'm going to enjoy this. It's right up my street. I'd been kind of resisting these for quite some time, and as I said, the Inked Watchman, he'd been talking to me about them for quite some time, saying, yeah, you really ought to get one, because I've got the 5KX, and I've got another Seiko 5 Sports Diver as well, in a different style. So yeah, this is kind of a natural progression really, and I think I will be getting possibly another one. I may go for the Prospects next time. But yeah, it seems pretty well made. Signed on the safety lock. A little bit of polish in there. Light brushing on the clasp, on the links, with a little high polished where they join into the next link, which is actually quite well done. Yeah. So yes, there we have it. There will be a review coming up of this. This is just my first impressions, and yeah, I'm going to like this. So yeah, thanks Steve for pointing me in the direction of these, and I do believe that he's after an orange one now. So, to add to his collection. I can't remember how many he's got now. Something like 10 or 11 monsters, I believe. But yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, we'll wrap this video up for today. I will leave a link to where you can pick one of these up if you like the look of this. I mean, it's a Seiko, so you know you're not going to go wrong, because it's a Seiko. I guess I was always going to like it straight out of the box, and obviously it doesn't come without its issues, like the chapter ring not being quite lined up. But yeah, pretty nice. Okay, if you like this unboxing and you want to see more, if you subscribe to the channel, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell, and then you'll find out and you'll get notified when I upload more content, which will include the full review of this. And actually, just before I go, on the wrist today, because I usually forget to do this, is the Marchand Classic Driver. There is an unboxing of this on the channel, and there will be a review coming up very shortly on this one. If you've seen the unboxing, you'll notice that it was on a leather. It's now on its bracelet. So yeah, when the full review goes up, check that out and you can see it with both. Okay, right, well that's it. Just a quick unboxing for today. No specs or anything like that. That'll come later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye.